Jordan release day. This was a big one. All right, let's see what's going on right here. Jordan 3 True Blues. This is what a lot of us have been waiting for. These haven't released in forever. I think the last time they released was 2012? What was your pair for? 2012? 2016. I just talked to one of the workers here because he got the old OG ones. I was asking one of the workers here because he's wearing his pair. I was like, oh, hell yeah, good for you, doggy. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. But yeah, this is the last Jordan 3 OG pair that I did not have, so I did have to order these. I got them on sneakers. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of hoping to find one at the outlets, but we'll see. But I wanted to secure one, so I did order one on sneakers. They did not sell out, but I still have to grab them. These are fire. They're too fire. Did y'all pick those bad boys up, or do y'all still have your old school pair, or do y'all, I just don't care? I don't know, let me know. I feel like I haven't seen these too often, right? I feel like I haven't seen these 12s too often, but they still got at least one pair here, 9.5. Balling on a budget, been finding these at the outlets. I didn't see if it was his size though. Got the Flight 4s, Flight Club, that is Toro Bravos. Got the UNC Black 14s. And then to be honest, if I had the money, I probably would grab these. These are fire. Love the black. I love the little hint of UNC everywhere. That is fire. It is all nubuck. And yeah, they are going for $220. But yeah, I'm skipping those. Dang it. Maybe I'll find one at the outlets. I don't know. Surprised to see these still here. What? $115. Oh, okay. It's on sale. Took me a sec to realize. I was like, hey, that's way lower than retail. Yeah, and then of course got those for $110. So these have gone down even more. That's not my fingerprint. What? No, that wasn't my fingerprint. I just washed my hands right before I came here. $130 for these because I ate across the street and then went to round one with my kiddo. Washed my hands there. $120 for the Easter 3s. These ones right here, these mids ain't bad. $110. Luca 5s on sale. And then the first spot I have seen these, the Toro Bravo 4 hydros. I think they're the hydro Toro Bravo, whatever. But yeah, $70 for those. Holy crap, they just keep going up, and up. I was gonna say I should have worn these, but maybe I'll wear these on the first day of basketball season. $210. Ain't even football season yet though, which is crazy. $110 Laker Air More Up Tempos going on sale. Got all kinds of Kobe's, the 8 Halos right here still. Oh, these are the 9 Halos, my bad. 9 Halos still on sale. The Tap Dancing Kobe's and those right there, 2 bills. Seeing these down to $129.98. And I feel like we haven't seen these at too many stores. I feel like we saw them here. We did see them at Chic for a bit, but we haven't seen them too many other spots. And I got the Diamond Turfs down to $100 for Diamond Turfs. I did love these when I was in high school. I got the Griffies as well. Griffies also on sale, $120. On the other side, apparently they have New Balances as well as the Anta Kai 2s right here. Forgot Kyrie was with Anta now. $100 for these. As well as this pretty crazy colorway. I don't know what the retail on these are though. Got some 740s if you like that shoes. $60, $75 for these 2002 Rs. Then got a couple of Reeboks going for crazy cheap. $30 for these Club C85s right here. Holy cow. $30 freaking dollars. And then got some Sauconys right here. These remind me of like the Vomeros and stuff. $100 for those, and then some Asics. What the hell are these? The Kayano 14s. They're retroing some of the Kayanos. $130 and $60 for this one. What the hell is this? The 1130. Okay. Mall's pretty packed. Have you guys been here lately? Is it as hot as hell in this mall? It's like the AC not on. What the hell? Got a Foot Locker now. Of course, they got them here as well. West Coast is awesome because if we see that they sell out on sneakers and we run out in the stores, They don't sell out sneakers. We know they'll be at the malls. I kind of figured they'd be around, but I did order one just in case. Well, to be honest, I wanted to return to Nike. Nike tends to be hella lenient on when we return our sneakers. I think they give us 60 days, right? 60 days or something like that. Like more than the regular stores. So yeah, if I find them at the mall, maybe I'll return them. I don't know. Maybe I'll double up. I don't know. But yeah, I do got a ton of Kobe's. These Zoom 2K4 Huaraches in a colorway I've never seen before. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. $190 for these bad boys. I'd rather get the USA colorway. Got a few of the Shy still around. Okay. Gonna release the second one soon, right? These GT Futures are wild as hell, and these definitely do stick out. They definitely pop when you throw them on feet, no matter what you're wearing. But yeah, those are going for $2 And they got another colorway right here. This one pops just as much. And they're coming out with all the wild colorways first. And $210 for this one. I guess this one is a newer one. They got them on sale. And by them I mean Jordan Retros, including these threes right here. Then they still have a few other releases. 6s right there as well. Then these 11s that are nice and smoked out already. But yeah, pretty. Oh, there we go. Oh, also got these mother lovers right here. Okay. And they're coming out with some wild colorways. Oh man, I thought it was like sparkly and stuff, but kind of, sort of, not really. Oh, that's interesting. $150 now. Oh, this is no OG though. Okay. I was gonna say, are the lows, the regular lows, $150 now? What the hell? All right. Seeing the Air Force Kobe's. I haven't seen too many on sale, but yeah, we are starting to see some of them go on sale. I still have my Lakers one I haven't worn. Maybe I'll wear that first game of the Lakers season, or first game of the NBA, whatever. Opening day for Lakers. That's what I meant. Fools. Dang, y'all know what the hell I was talking about? But yeah, they're starting to come out with more of these patent leather and regular leather. Air Forces got the fat laces on them. This was kind of the first set right here. They came out 3 different colors. This purple and the baby blue. Bad memories, fools. I'm getting old. But yeah, got the Foamposite Pros, got the Pegasus Premiums, and then that's why we shop around. Damn, these are $155 because the newer ones already. Yeah, they don't have the black ones, so I can show you guys how much the retail went up just in a few months. Damn. And we got a little 70% off section right here. So you know, we gotta see what's up. I think it's mostly Locker brand stuff, but the quality is pretty legit. $50, 70% off. So these are all going for $15. You got some LeBron Nike gear. They know we don't really need LeBron stuff anymore in LA. And then yeah, they do have some more. They do have some more of the Locker brand stuff. And they still do have a bunch of stuff for 50% off. But yeah, nothing too crazy. And of course the sales rack, do see the Diamond Turfs. I guess they've been on sale for a while. I did not really notice. But yeah, I really like those. I really like those wheat ones. And I do got some of the, I don't know, some Reeboks right here. But yeah, nothing too crazy. The grade school section right here, got that. Look, a kid just, oh, that's it. But yeah, they got some stuff, nothing crazy though. Just 2 stores down. Dang, that security camera looked like it's from like 2005. What the hell? Yeah. And they got them here as well. I'm telling you, it's like weird. You know, like the same company, Foot Locker and Champs, but they have like a totally different sales pattern. Kind of crazy. These bad boys are on sale too, right? Yeah. A new colorway of these are here. I guess the Seattle Mariners colorway, I guess. The gold laces, gold looking laces, $180 for these. Then the Evo SLs finally got one at 90. Not bad. These are hella comfy. The Jamaican Bob Marley one also on sale. 110. Also get his little picture right there. I swear this is the first time I've seen these, and then all of a sudden they're already on sale. I guess they've been out for a while. Okay, $50. They still got these left over right here. These retail for $70 now, so I guess a little bit of a sale. I don't know about you guys. I haven't bought anything from a flex store in a while, so I don't even have any of those coupons to use. Damn, dude, those little survey coupons for money. 50% off. Did Nigeria make the World Cup or something? I don't know. But they got Nike Nigeria jerseys right here, 50 off. Ton of Champ Sports gear. Also got some tech pack stuff right here, 130, 50 off. Got Nike sweats and stuff as well. $20 shorts. It's all polyester though, dang it. But yeah, quality is decent if you don't mind polyester. I guess up top it's buy one, get one free, and then down here it's all $20. And then in the sale section right here, got plenty of sales items, but the prices are like really good. The grade score, ooh, that's nice, that's nice. But everything else, okay, nothing crazy. Dude got a Chic. Dang, out of all the spots today, Chic has the music the loudest. I haven't had that issue anywhere. That's interesting. Usually it's Club, Shoe Palace, and then also they usually tend to be way more aggressive with the sales. And wow, no, not seeing that with the Jordan Retros, but they still have these, which released, I want to say 2020. And these were released a long time ago. 2021. These are like a 2021 release. I think 2021 release. The handcrafted. I think they be holding stuff, and then they do random drops like on certain holidays and stuff like that. And I think this is one of those here. Midnight Navy ones right here. I'm like, these have been out for a minute. These were 2024, 2025 release, one of those. Yeah, they still got the OGs right there. Why am I hiccuping? Got all kinds of Cortezes right here. And then what are these? The city shoes, $40. Is everybody doing their back to school shopping? Nike had their sale earlier this week or last weekend. One of the few places with Kobe's on sale. And then they put Kobe's in between the jaws. How dare they? But dude, these jaws right here, dang, pretty wild colorways. The jaw 3s right here. Okay, and Morant getting traded. That's kind of crazy. Been some crazy trades already this season. John Morant, we kind of saw coming because he didn't play with them, and the team actually did better without him too, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, is he gonna do better this upcoming season? Portland's kind of an interesting spot for him. Portland got a little squad now though. I swear this offseason all the rich teams got richer, and then mediocre teams stayed mediocre. Philadelphia Eagles colorway of the turf, diamond turfs right here, $70. $7. I've never seen this one either. What colorway is this? Never seen that colorway. Okay. And you got foams going down. Then these red ones came out. Hella red, $240. You'd have to admit foam prices have not gone up for years, but they were already $240. like they were ahead of the game with the high price. But damn, that is like some outlet prices though. Speaking of outlet prices, damn, nobody wear KDs no more, huh? Oh, damn, nobody likes KDs apparently. God dang, dude. And then speaking of Jordan 3s, we weren't even talking about Jordan 3s. What a horrible segue, but yeah, dude got some Mocha 3s on feet. Mocha 3s on feet. I freaking love these. Haven't worn them in a minute, so we're gonna throw them on. And it is hot as hell. I'm gonna be honest, this Chic is the only cool store in the entire freaking mall. Every store I've gone to, like even the outside areas, hot as hell. It's not cool in here. But yeah, got shorts and a tank top because it's hot as hell. And I talked about kids shoes, so let's talk about kids sneaker prices. Grade school section here. Kids ain't into Vomeros though, right? Like I know Vomeros are like comfy, but fools ain't into Vomeros. Into dunks? I don't know. What the hell are kids into nowadays? I don't know. My kids not really into sneakers like that. $45 for these dunks. That's a hell of a price. They're rocking some old songs, dude. They're doing old songs. What the hell? 55. I ain't heard this song in a minute. Used to hear this when we used to go to the bars and used to go clubbing way back when. Yeah, but yeah, I got plenty of dunks. Got all kinds of Cortezes for the kiddos. I don't think I really see kids wearing Cortez like that. These are not Cortezes. What are these? The Nike Pacifics? I have to look at the names. I don't know what the hell those are. Polka dotted Cortezes right here. And then in the women's, if you guys need one for your kiddo, grab one of these. That's what I did. I still have a fresh pair for my kiddo. Yeah, I think I've read this one as 20 off. We haven't seen that in a while. Had it for like 8 months, and then all of a sudden it's gone, and we haven't seen it forever. So freaking random. Ooh, women's Romero right there. Got dunks, 45 for dunks right there. 30 for dunks? What the hell? That's a women's right there. But they go down to grade school. They do go down to grade school. Got 45, 50, 40. Yeah, okay. And then it looks like we have an unofficial Lakers pair right here. What is that? Yeah, it's basketball. So unofficial Lakers colorway. I guess it could technically be the Sparks as well. Again, $125 for those bad boys. Then we got the last sneaker shop right here. And I swear JD's have been extra mild with their sales. Not really seeing nothing hit too much. They got some Five Low looking mugs right here. Five Low, aka Jordan 60 plus. It's a Jordan section. I don't even see the True Blues. What are y'all doing? There's no way you guys got that late, because well, at least they just sell a few and then it's been dead lately. Usually they have them in here at least. See a bunch of those 25% off sale signs and then like a little sale right there, but nothing crazy. There's Jordans back there. There's Jordans right here. I don't see any True Blues. Oh, that's interesting. That is interesting. Wow. That fool's having a ball, dude. That fool is having a ball. I don't know why I think that's so funny. That fool's doing it. Look at him. What the hell happened to lids and fans? What happened to their semi-annual clearance sale? I feel like it was like hella quick this year. Did they even have it? I don't know. They used to have it for like almost a month. Yeah, it used to go on for at least 4 weeks. It'd be 30, 40, 50% off. Lately, I don't know. I haven't seen nothing. Did I miss it, you guys? I don't know. I've been really, really busy the last couple of weeks getting my kid a car. I haven't got one yet. I think we might get one on Monday. I don't know. But yeah, 94 for these. No freaking additional discounts. What's going on here? Damn, I don't know. Tyreek Hill, this fool ain't even with them anymore, no? 75. Yeah, I don't see no great sales. I used to get some stuff in the summer and just save it for my workers' birthdays and Christmas and stuff. So much for that this year. Man, they're gonna make me pay regular price for stuff. What the hell? You know what? I'm gonna go to. I got a plan. But yeah, they have stuff on clearance, but no additional discounts. Nothing. Just not great deals right now. Damn. Watching the fans game here. This is crazy. What a crazy freaking game, dude. Holy crap. 3-4 right now. Holy crap. Can France do it? Can they come back? That's insane.